Hey, what's going on guys, it's Made here, and in this tutorial I'm going to personally show you how to install Dynmap or Dynmap, whatever people call it. So first of all, we need to install the plugin to our paper server or Spigot for those who use Spigot, but I highly recommend you guys to use paper. So we're going to go to the plugins folder here, and we're going to go to the Spigot page, and we're going to download the Dynmap jar file. As you can see, we can keep this. So we have to only drag and drop it here to our awesome file management. So once that's uploaded, you're gonna see the green bar right here. So we're going to refresh here by clicking that refresh button here, and we're going to see the jar is successfully uploaded to the server. We're going to go back to the console and restart the server. So as you can see, Dynmap is successfully loaded in the server, and you're going to notice that the web server is started on this address, but we have to also configure that to the correct port. So you guys have to request a port from us by opening a support ticket. To verify that if you have a port open, you're going to go to the configuration at the left sidebar, and then we're going to go to the allocation settings. If you have an extra port, you're going to notice that it has two allocations. But since this server doesn't have a port allocated, we're going to make a support ticket and request one to be opened for free, of course. So after you make a support ticket, you're obviously going to go to this page again, and you will notice the new port that's allocated to your server. So you're going to copy that port here, and then we're going to go back to file management. We're going to go back to Dynmap folder, and then the configuration.txt. From here, we're going to scroll to the web server line. You would normally find it from right here. Web server bind address. You're going to remove the hashtag here. As you can see, remove the hashtag, and then we're going to paste the port that is allocated to your server. You're going to save that file, and you're going to go ahead and restart your server again. So once the server is started, we're going to go to configuration and then allocation settings once again. We're going to copy the IP address, and we're going to copy the port. Once you go here, you're going to notice that the Dynmap is fully loaded, but you're going to notice one thing: the chunks aren't being seen anywhere. That's because we haven't rendered the chunks yet. You are going to go back to the configuration file, and you're going to notice the image format is in PNG. We are going to change that to JPG to allow smaller file size to be rendered. We're going to save that. And now we're going to the console, and we're going to type Dynmap full render world. World is your world name, but in case we have a default world. As you can see, it's currently fully rendering the world. It depends on how many chunks you have available in the world. It may take a few hours, it may take a few minutes, it depends. And if we constantly check the map, we're going to notice the chunks are being loaded right here. This map looks awesome and weird at the same time, but here you go. These are the chunks that are being loaded. This is a brand new server, so no player chunks have been discovered yet, but if you plays go around, you're going to see the new chunks being loaded as you go. And that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and have a nice day.